Good evening, everyone. Good evening, beta. Is the screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. I'll just wait for
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute. I'll just wait for 1 minute so that some more students can join us. Just 1 minute. I think Ranveer Siddhant. Hello, Ranveer. Are you new to the class, dear? Ranveer Siddhant. Beta, are you new to the class? Pardon, I could not get you. Can you repeat? Ranveer, can you repeat, beta? Okay, everyone, please do turn on your videos, dear. Do turn on your videos. And we shall start our class with a very positive energy. Very good. Okay. So, Ranveer Siddhant, beta, can you please, can you also turn on your video, beta? If you can. Okay, everyone. So, we were learning divisibility rule, right? We were learning divisibility rule. And today, we are going to do 4 questions related with the divisibility rule. If any doubt persists between the question, I shall explain all the concepts again as well. Okay? Please feel free to ask me any question you have in your mind. Okay? I hope most of you have joined the class. So let us start with the very first and easy question. Which of the following is divisible by 3? And here you go. You can answer me in poll, okay? Quickly. And let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Remember the divisibility rule of 3. Only 4 correct answer. Riddhiman, Adya, Dhruv and Siddhant. Very good, beta. But only 4 correct. अरे हड़बड़ी में सब कर रहे हैं गड़बड़ी. See, what was the divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of 3 was that you have to add the digits, right? You have to add the digits. So I shall start with the very first option. I have what? 4,513. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. That is why this 4,513 will also not be divisible by 3. Now we will move to our next option. 7821. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. And 17 plus 1 is 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. Because this 18, sum of digits, is divisible by 3, that is why 7,821 will also be divisible by 3. And why to solve further when I get my answer in the second time? Why to go for further? Option B is my correct answer. Any doubts, anyone? Please raise your hand. No one? Everyone is so intelligent. Okay. If no one, then I have another question for you. Here you go. A number is divisible by 8 if, here you go, answer main code. Adya, Pranav, Riddhiman, Dhruv and Siddhant. Only 5 correct answer. Beta, this though you learned in the last class only. And if you don't remember the rules, beta, how you are going to do further classes and chapters here? A number is divisible by 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last digit divisible by 8? No. Last 2 digits divisible by 8? No. Last 3 digits divisible by 8? Yes. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Only then the number is divisible by. And this is the rule. This wasn't any question. This was the rule. Any doubt, beta? Anyone? No one? Okay. If no one, then go for the next question. And here you go. You can answer me. Quickly. Okay. Harshika, Shreyan, Ranveer. First 3 to answer me. Harshika, Gayatri and Adya has also given me the correct answer. Rest. Wrong answer or no answer? Oops. Okay, let us see beta how we will do it. See. I have been given a number 5, 4, 3, 2, star and 7. Now, as per this question, this number is divisible by 9. Okay. Who will tell me the divisibility rule of 9? Raise your hand. Who will tell me? Who knows the divisibility rule of 9? Raise your hand. Only 2 of you. I taught only 2-3 students in the class. Yes, Samhita. Divisibility rule of 9? No answer? Yes, Siddhant. I think you have turned on your mic. Tell me divisibility rule for 9.
Sum of all the numbers.
Yes. Divisibility rule of 9, what does it say? Divisibility rule of 9 says that the digits should sum to such a number which is divisible by 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. And 14 plus 7 is 21. 14 plus 7 is 21. Now in this 21, you have to add such a value that it becomes divisible by what? Divisible by 9.
9.
If I see the table of 9, I know 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, and 9 into 3 is 27, right? So after 21, I have to make it 27. What should I add here? 21 plus what is 27? Tell me. 21 plus what?
6.
6.
Yes, beta. 21 plus 6 is 27. That is why 6 will be at the place of asterisk. 6 will be at the place of asterisk. Did you get it, dear? Did you get it, beta? Do tell me. Any doubts, anyone? Raise your hand, beta. No one? Okay. If no one, I'm going to give you the same question. Same type of question. Okay, but the digits changed. I'm giving you the same question, only the digits changed. Okay, I have given you 7, 2, 8, 4, and then star and then 4. Same question, only the digits have been changed. Tell me now. Hope everyone gives me the correct answer. Let me see. Only 6 correct answer again. Riddhiman, Dhruv, Harshika, Karthik and Gayatri. Oh. Yes, Arjun, beta, you have raised your hand. Want to ask anything, Arjun?
Ma'am, when you gave the poll, ma'am, screen I could not see.
Beta, if you are not getting the poll, beta, you can exit and rejoin. Sometimes because of the internet, it happens. Okay. And why rest of you have given me the wrong answer, beta? Sadhya and Arjun did not answer me. Okay, Arjun had the problem. But Pranav, Siddhant, Tane, Rayan, Shreyan, Adya, everyone gave me the wrong answer. I did not expect this from you all, beta. 7, 2, 8, 4, $4, right? 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is how much? 17 plus 4. 21. And 21 plus 4 is 25. Now what should you add in this 25 so that it becomes divisible by 9? So in the line of 20s, I have 27 which is divisible by 9. So 25 plus what is 27? 25 plus 2 is 27. So my answer would be option A. 2. Option A. Any doubt there? Anyone any doubt, beta? Raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
How did you get it wrong, Adya? And
I did wrong calculation.
Siddhant also. I thought Siddhant being a new student, You was answering so quickly, everything correctly. I thought Siddhant also, he will also give me correct answer. He also gave me wrong answer. And many of you gave me the wrong answer. Okay. Next question dear. Try to give this question correctly. Try to answer this question correctly. Here you go. This one is the easiest one. Within 1 second you will answer this. I know. 1 second. Let me see. Very good, Arjun, Dhruv, and Tanay. First three to answer me. But again, so many of you have given me the wrong answer. Arey? 6 wrong. Samhita, Adya, Harshika, Shreyan, Gayatri, Karthik. This is तो very bad, बेटा. हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी वाली बात है. Yes, Adya, you have raised your hand, बेटा. You are not audible, Adya. You are not audible, Adya.
Ma'am, I clicked on C option. My answer was not shown.
But I can see A. Might be because of internet glitch. See, which number is divisible by both 5 and 10, right? Both 5 and 10. So divisibility rule of 5 I know. At the end, it should be 0 or 5. But divisibility rule of 10 says that at the end, it always has 0. So 0 is common in both. That means let us check which option has 0 at the end. 5 at the end can't be my answer. 2 at the end can't be my answer. 0 at the end, option C is my answer. 4,320. Any doubts? Raise your hand. No? Okay, if no, then here you go. The next question. Okay, this first you will tell me and then I shall explain you this one. Okay? Let me see how many of you know the divisibility rule of 11. Excuse me. Okay, very smart, beta. 10 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Arjun, Pranav, and Tane, first three to answer me. Very smart, dear, very smart.
Ma'am, how we do?
Huh, beta, I'm explaining this, dear. See, first let us understand the question and then I will tell you what was it and how we have to do it, okay? To check if a number is divisible by 11, you will find the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and even places. What must this difference be? Here, you are being asked the divisibility rule of 11. So before doing this question, let us understand the divisibility rule for 11. Okay, so what does the divisibility rule of 11 says? Divisibility rule of 11 says that whatever is the number, let me take any number from the book. 381876. Now the question asks that is this 3,81,876 divisible by 11 or not? So how you will find out, beta? Teacher say you will take one digit, leave one, and then again leave one. Okay. And now whatever digits are left. So I have 6, 8, and 8 in one group. So I will take 8 plus 8 plus 6. So it is how much? 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 6 is
24.
22. 16 plus 6 is 22, I guess. Did I do something wrong?
No,
8
ma'am.
plus 8 is 6. 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 6 is 22. Now I am left with what? 3, 1 and 7, right? Now I will club these numbers. So 3 plus 1 plus 7. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 7 is 11.
11.
Right? Now, whatever is the result, beta, you have to subtract them. So my result is 22 and 11. I will subtract them. I got 11. 22 minus 11 is 11. If the result is divisible by 11, the number is also divisible by 11. Just like in 7, we did in 7, right? That after subtracting, if the result is divisible by 7 or 0, so the number was divisible. And here, if the result is divisible by 11 or after subtracting you get 0, then also the number is divisible by 11. Got it there? Please do tell me yes or no. Please do tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Harshika, beta.
Ma'am.
Okay, I'm repeating this once more, dear. Divisibility rule of 11 says that you have to add the digits at odd places and the digits at even places. In simple words, what you have to do? Count the digit from the last, take the digit and then leave one. Then again take the digit and then leave one, take the digit. So 8, 8 and 6, club the digits. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. And whatever digits are remaining, club them together. So 3, 1 and 7. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. Now you have two results in your hand. Subtract them. So 22 minus 11 is 11. If your final answer is divisible by 11, your number is also divisible by 11. So because this 11 is divisible by 11, this 3,81,876 will also be divisible by 11. Right? Samhita, beta, please turn off your mic. Everyone, you are requested to turn on your mic only when you need to answer anything or ask any doubt. I hope everyone got it there. Any doubts, you can raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if no, then let me give you one question. You have only two options, yes or no. You can answer me in poll, okay? Option A or option B. 7733 divisible by 11 or not? And you can answer me yes or no. Quickly. I got 10 correct answer. Arjun, Dhruv and Samhita. First three to answer me. Rest. Who did it wrong? 5 of you. Are Adya, Sadhya, Shreyan, Siddhant and Harshika. Are baapre. Beta, why wrong dear? 7733, right? What you have to do? You have to take a digit and leave one. So I will take this digit, leave one and take this. So 7 and 7 club together, 7 and 3. 7 plus 3, 10. And again I have 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. I told you right now that if the answer is divisible by 11 or the answer is 0, your number would be divisible by 11. Yes, Samhita, you have raised your hand, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat it 1 second?
Yes, beta. What you have to do, you have to add the digits at even places and the digits at odd places. That means take a digit, leave one, and then take a digit. So 7 plus 3, 10. Left number is also 7 plus 3, 10. Now you will subtract these. So 10 minus 10 is 0. If your answer after subtracting is a multiple of 11, then also the number is divisible by 11. Or if the answer is 0, then also the number is divisible by 11. So the answer is 0. That means yes, 7733 is divisible by 11. I have one more question for you. Nine four one six is divisible by 11 or not? 9416 is divisible by 11 or not? And here you go. You can answer me. Option A, no. Option B, yes. Only 7 correct, beta. Adya, Reyansh and Siddhant. First three to answer me. Rest everyone wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I accidentally mistook yes for A because last question the option is
This is how you have to make your mind active. That's why I changed the option. Option A was yes. I just changed it to no. And option B, I made yes. This is how you have to keep your mind active, dear. In examination, the question comes easy. Only it is the game of the brain. 9416, right? Add 4 and 6. 10. Add 9 and 1. 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So yes, 9416 is divisible by 11. But here option A is no and option B is yes. So option B will be the correct one. Okay. Any doubts, please raise your hand or else I will move to the next beta. Anyone, any doubt? I would consider it as no. Here you go, the next one. quickly. Alright, here you go. Arjun, Karthik, Ranveer, first three to answer me. And 7 of you have given me the. Acha, Ranveer is Siddhant only. Acha. Okay. So first three to answer me, and rest 6 of you have given me the wrong answer. 7 correct. What was the divisibility rule of 4, beta? Divisibility rule of 4 says that last 2 digits should be divisible, right? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Forget about this dollar because I don't care about the first dollar. To make it divisible by 4, I need the last 2 digits, that is 6 and the dollar. What shall I put here? 1 I cannot put. Why? Because 1 is odd. 3 also I cannot put because 3 is also odd. So my answer could either be 62 or 60. 62 or 60. Question says smallest possible value. Smallest possible value. So first I will go for 60. If 60 is divisible by 4, I will not see to 62. And if I say 60, yes, 15 into 4 is 60. When I divide 60 by 4, I get 15, right? That means at the place of this dollar, I will write 0. I will write 0. Yes, beta Arjun? Yes, dear?
Ma'am, I raised it mistakenly that time, but I forgot to lower it.
Okay. Anyone, any doubts there? Anyone? No doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, you repeat again.
Okay. This dollar place, you have to take the smallest value that makes this number divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 4 says that last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So last digit should be what? 1 and 3, it cannot be because 1 and 3 are odd numbers. I'm left with 2 and 0. Smallest digit is 0. So first I will see the probability of 0. So 60 divided 4, yes, it is completely divisible. 60 divided 4 is 15. That's why my answer would be 0. Dollar ki jagah I can write 0. Okay, Harshika?
Okay, ma'am.
And here you go.
Ma'am.
Pardon, I could not hear you, Adya.
Ma'am, so
Beta, can you please speak a bit loud?
ma'am, I was cross-checking the divisibility rule of 11. So can you just tell it once more?
Okay, divisibility rule of 7. Okay, beta, once we are done with
11,
4
11.
questions.
Ma'am, 11.
11. Beta, divisibility rule of 11 says that you have to take the numbers at odd places, numbers at even places. Simple words, take the number and leave a number. Okay, ek chhod ke ek, you will take the number and then you will add them. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 9 plus 1 is also 10. Now you have to subtract them. If the result is a multiple of 11 or the result is 0, the number will be divisible by 0. Got it, Adya?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, here you go. The next question. quickly. This one is easy. We have done this type of question. Here you go. Quickly. Only 4 correct answer. Karthik, Siddhant, Harshika and Adya. Very good, beta. But only 4 correct answer. Why? 5, 8, 3 and x you have, right? Divisible by 9 means the sum should be divisible by 9. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 के बाद the nearest number which is divisible by 9 is 18. Because 9 twos are 18. What shall you add in 16 to make it divisible by 9? To make it 18, what shall you add in 16? So I will add 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Option A will be my answer.
Can ma'am explain it again?
Yes. Okay, Dhruv. Explaining this once more. See, the question says 5, 8, 3 and x. You have to make this number divisible by 9. In order to make this number divisible by 9, you have to find the sum, right? So 5 plus... Shreyan, beta, please turn off your mic. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Tanay, beta, please turn off your mic. One by one, I will not ask you to turn off your mic, beta. You can turn on your mic. First, raise your hand and then you can turn on your mic. I get disturbed and the class get disturbed by this, right? You can turn on your mic, but first raise your hand and then you can turn on your mic. Riyansh. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Now, what shall you add in 16 to make it divisible by 9? So 16 plus 2 is 18. So if I add 2 in 16, it will be divisible by 9. Option A, 2 will be the correct answer. Yes, Karthik?
Then you wrote 16 plus dash you wrote.
Beta, if the screen is black, please exit and rejoin because of the internet issue there. Exit and rejoin. If anyone feels anytime the screen is black, you can exit and rejoin there. Here you go, the next question. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, it must be divisible by dash also. Very smart and easy question. Arjun, Karthik, Riyansh, first 3 to answer me. But many of you have given me the wrong answer. Okay, see. Always to remember, beta, if a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, the number must be divisible by what? So the number is divisible by 3 and 4, multiply them. 3 fours are 12. That means the number is divisible by 12. Option B. Okay, option B. Next question. Please see to the question carefully. It should be divisible by 3 but not by 9. Not by 9. Only 3 correct answer. Siddhant, Reyansh and Gayatri. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. Very smart. Rest everyone wrong. Arey yaar. 3, 2, star and 5, right? 3, 2, star and 5. I have to fit from among these digits, I have to fit any of the digits that makes this number divisible by 3 but not by 9. And I know that divisibility rule of 3 is same as divisibility rule of 9. That means you have to add the digits. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, right? What should I add in this pen to make it divisible by 3 but not by 9, right? Now you will tell me that, ma'am, 10 plus 2, 12 divisible by 3, not by 9, ma'am. 10 plus 5, 15, divisible by 3 but not by 9, ma'am. 10 plus 8, 18, which is divisible by both 3 and 9. So 8 cannot be my answer. And 10 plus 1, 11. This also cannot be my answer. So I can have two answers, 12 and 15, right? Because 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Always do remember that whenever you have this divisibility rule question and from among the options you can feel that 2 options are correct, always go for the lesser value. If nothing is mentioned in the question, always go for the lesser value. So 10 plus 2, 12. This can be your answer. If you mark 15, like 5, so 10 plus 5, yes, you are right in your head. You are correct that, ma'am, 10 plus 5, 15, divisible by 3, not by 9. But always do remember, if you have this type of question and the option, always go for the lesser value. Okay, lesser value. Okay, yes, I think I have hand raises. Yes, Adya?
Ma'am, I'm not able to answer in poll. I've been giving past 2 answers in the chat only.
Okay, beta, you can answer them. Yes, Harshika?
We told that in option they had only 2531.
Yes, beta, options were 2, 5, 3, 1. So you have to fit any one number in the place of star to make it divisible by 3, Harshika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyan.
Ma'am, could you repeat again, ma'am?
Yes, beta. See, you have 3 to $5, right? Not dollar, star 5, asterisk or star 5. So You have to find such a number which is divisible by 3, not by 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now, what should you add in this 10 to make it divisible by 3, not by 9? So, here I have two options, 2 and 5. 10 plus 2, 12, also correct. 10 plus 5, 15, also correct. Because 12 and 15, both are divisible by 3, not by 9. In such cases, when you have two options in the divisibility rule question, always go for the lesser value if nothing is mentioned in the question. If here it was mentioned that which is the maximum, maximum means greatest digit. If it was mentioned greatest digit, okay, then you could take 5 as the answer. But if nothing has been mentioned in the question, then you will always take the smaller value, that is 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Any one else, beta? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if no, then here you go, the next question. This one is the easiest one. And after this, I have certain rules for you. Okay. This is the last poll question. And then I have certain rules for you. Just everyone answered. Okay, 14 seconds remaining, 13. Let me see if I got all the 14 correct answer or not. Only 9 correct. Still I got wrong answers. Okay, Adya, Arjun and Dhruv. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. But Karthik, Reyanj, Gayatri, Harshika and Shreyan. Beta, if you are doing this wrong, then it is very bad. Divisibility rule of 10 says last digit should be 0. Right? Last digit should be 0. I have 5 at the end. Can't be my answer. 0 at the end. Option B is my answer. Option B is my answer. Anyone, any question, any queries? Okay, I would accept that as no. And now I have certain rules for you. Okay, please note this down.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I asked my query in the asked out batch, but I did not get an answer for maths.
You asked in asked out?
Yes, ma'am. You asked
By
me
what
to,
time, dear?
ma'am, by like somewhat around 5:30 this yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay, just a second, beta.
Sorry, not 5:30, 7:30 yesterday.
7:30 yesterday. 8 minutes. Just a minute, dear. Just a minute.
Sure, ma'am.
You asked in the date of, what was the date, dear? Date of the asked out?
Third date.
2 to 3 August, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Me also. 4 seconds.
I think you have answered in 3 to okay. You must have sent your doubts today after 7, right? Because no, beta, I don't have any doubt.
Ma'am, yesterday,
Of,
ma'am, only yesterday.
Yesterday, Adya, I cannot see it.
Ma'am, I guess there's some issue there.
Okay, I will check. I will check. Adya, I shall check again because I cannot see your name in the asked out session. I would check, and if it is unsolved, I will solve it. Okay. Yes, Arjun Meti.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Because sometimes if any student has low internet connection, it echoes. Yes, Tanay.
Ma'am, I asked the doubt on 2nd August.
So it must have been solved, beta. Tanay. Please do check.
Ma'am, I can't see the board, ma'am.
Beta, exit and rejoin. Those who cannot see the board, exit and rejoin. And those who have asked their asked out, not today, but before, like yesterday or before that, your doubts must have been solved. Please go to the asked out session and see. There would be attached PDF in it, okay? Photos in it of the solution. I shall explain you, but first you note it down, okay? Okay. So these are the certain another divisibility rules that you have to remember, beta. And what are they? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. This we learned in the last class. Now, just like 6, if a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, it will be divisible by 12 also. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 7, not by either 2 or 7, no, both 2 and 7, then the number will also be divisible by 14. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 9, the number is divisible by 18. If a number is divisible by both 8 and 9, the number is divisible by 72. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 25, the number is divisible by 75. Okay? Please note this down there, everyone. Yes, Adya, want to say something? Please note this down. I'm waiting for 1 minute. And if any doubt in this, you can ask me. Adya, please speak a bit loud, beta. I'm not able to hear you, dear. Speak a bit loud. Adya, you are not audible, beta.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, beta. Very good. If finished, then very good. I have few more rules for you. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of 25, beta. The divisibility rule of 20. Yes, Adya?
Ma'am, I could not see your screen. Can you show it for once more? I'll just take a screenshot.
Okay, just for once, beta. Take the screenshot quickly. Okay,
Done, ma'am. Thanks.
done. The divisibility rule of 25. Divisibility rule of 25 says that if the last digit is 00 or the last digit is 25 or the last digit is 50 or the last digit is 75. Please turn off your mic, beta. If the last digits are 00, 25, 50 or 75, beta, the number will be divisible by 25 also. Okay. If the last digit is 00, 25, 50 or 75, the number will be divisible by 20. Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Then I have a question for you. Shall I just take the screenshot? I'm going to give you one question.
Done, ma'am.
Here you go. You can.
Ma'am,
You
for
can
one
answer me.
second, can you show me the previous one? I didn't write that.
Just a second, Gayatri. Go for this poll and then I'm going to show you the next previous slide. Okay. Answer this and then I'm going to show you the previous slide better. Which of the following digit is not divisible by 25? Okay. Very good. 9 of you have given me the correct answer. Sadhya, Dhruv, and Arjun. First 3 to answer me. Very smart.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pradhaman.
Ma'am, I am speaking.
Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, I mistakenly kept the option C, ma'am. The answer is actually 505.
Okay, okay, Karthik. Yes, Sadhya, you have also raised your hand.
Ma'am, I couldn't see your screen, so I clicked the random option B.
Okay, see. Which of the following is not divisible by?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, Harshika.
Ma'am, I waiting for 7 o'clock on 8. Not, I asked Sainik school, not any reply.
Yes, Harshika. I could not get your doubt, beta.
Ma'am, today class be 8 on 9. I don't know, ma'am. I asked Sainik school coaching app. She said 8 o'clock. And no, next no any reply.
Beta, the timetable comes in the Sainik School coaching app or the Shiromani Institute app, whatever is the name. Okay. So please do check the timetable in that. Every day timetable is being updated, beta. Every day.
And no, mama, we see he have max. No, mama, I like vaccine in the my class work. Today period is GK period, ma'am. Shall I say today I have GK? Then batch is what I say JA27S. She said not any reply.
No, beta, today was not any GK class. Today was maths class. Or beta, Harshika, if you have any doubts related with the timetable or the batch, beta, you can connect with the help support for it. But every day timetable is updated in the app. You can check from that. Even if you have any doubt, please connect with the help support. They will help you. Okay, Harshika?
Ma'am, I asked help that sign school only, ma'am.
Not on that app, beta. Please message help support on WhatsApp there. Okay?
That's on, ma'am. We called. She not any reply also.
You call them. Might be busy, beta, but just drop a text. Okay? Drop a WhatsApp message. If by any chance help support is not answering your call, you can WhatsApp them. Just drop a message. They will for sure contact you there. For sure. They contact everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, let's
Thanks,
see.
ma'am.
So the last digit 50 divisible by 25. Last digit 75 divisible by 25. Last digit double zero divisible by 25. Last digit 05 not divisible by 25. That's why option D is the correct answer. Okay? Option D is the correct answer. Please take the screenshot, Gayatri. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.